Hello guys, welcome to Python programming tutorials. In this video, I will explain Python range function. So let's get started. In the previous tutorials, I have explained about list and tuple. That is, with the help of list or tuple, we can initialize n elements, right? For example, look at this following example. I have initialized 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 through list. So this is how you can create list. But there is one big disadvantage with list or tuple, that is, if I want to initialize, let's say 50 elements at a time, then it is time consuming and it doesn't make any sense to initialize that many values. So in order to avoid this problem, we can use range function. So let's see the definition. The range function returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0 by default and increments by 1, that is also by default, and stops before a specified number. So range is nothing but it will give the number of elements that we want. So let's see the example. Let's say x equal to, I will create range with 10 elements. Now if I convert x to list, that is list of x, then it will return the values from 0 to 9. That it does not include value 10. So it returns, as per the definition, you can see that it starts from 0 by default and it increments by 1. So here each value is incremented by 1 and stops before the specified number. So it stopped before 10. So this is how range will help to initialize the values. So let's see the full syntax to create range. So range takes 3 arguments, that is start, stop and step, right? Here you can see the definition. It starts from 0 by default and increments by 1, that is nothing but the step value. So suppose say that I want the values from 10 to 20, okay? Then I need to mention the starting value as 10. Let's say x of range starting from 10 and it need to stop before 21. So it does not include 21. So now if I convert this to list of x, now if I check the value of y, so it returns the value starting from 10 to 20. So that is nothing but start value is 10 and the stop value is 21. So here still the step value is 1, that is each value is incremented by 1. So let's say that if I want the values from 0 to 10 with the incrementation of 2, okay, don't confuse, I will show the example. Let's say 0, 10, 2, okay. Now if I initialize list of x to y, now the values ranges from 0 to 10 with the incrementation of 2, okay. Here the each value is incremented by 2. As you can see here, it 0, 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So each value is incremented by 2. That is nothing but a step value. So this is how you can create range. As I said, if I want to initialize 50 elements, right, then I need to mention range of 50. That is 51 because it does not include end value. Now if I assign list of x to y, now if I check the value of y, so it returns values from 0 to 50, as you can see here. So this is how you can create n elements with the help of range function. So that's all I had for this tutorial. Hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching.